Welcome back to this channel. It's another day. So in this video I'll be talking about secret to make any woman or any lady either in your environment or in your working place to chase you. Those are the things I'll be sharing with you. I'm talking from experience. This is what I've practiced myself, which again I'm talking from experience. Number one which I'll be talking about is be confident and don't be too afraid to ask questions when you're starting a new relationship. Be confident in whatever you are saying. When you talk, be straightforward. Be confident in yourself. So this is very important. And when you're in a relationship, always ask a lady before you take it to the next level, what will you bring to the table? Say it, ask her questions. Let her know the kind of lady you want to be with. Let her know, apart from sex, yansh, big yansh or breast or whatever, what's the value you're adding to marriage? What are my children going to gain having you as a mother? Don't be afraid to ask these kind of questions. Let her know. Be intelligent. Know the kind of lady you want to deal with. So ask the value she will be adding to your life. With this kind of question will make a lady know the kind of man you are. Because man that didn't have any plan, that didn't have future, that is when you will know, even you won't have a plan. Talk less of having a woman that will add value to his life. So when you're asking a lady that kind of question, it make her reason like, oh, this guy also have a plan for the future. Like, you would see you as someone valuable, someone that want to create something, someone that want a good future, not for only himself, for his children and his grandchildren to come. So a lady will see you like that. So always ask a question. What's the value that lady is bringing to that marriage? What is it adding to your life? What's the things it will be bringing in when you become married? What are the things she or your children will gain from him or her? You should always ask these kind of questions. And number two, which I'll be talking about, is be different. Either in your working place or in your environment. For example, let me use working place as an example. Maybe in your working place, nowadays people dress as if rugged and something like that. You'll be different. Always dress smart. When a lady sees you on even in your not even ordinary lady, people in your environment, once they see you are different, even when you're talking, talk differently. Don't talk when you're not asked. Don't talk too much. Less talk is very, very important. So when you talk, also talk with confidence. Let them know you know what you're saying. Give reasons why you're giving that kind of decision. So be confident in whatever you're doing, and also be different in your dressing. Dress smart, whatever you always dress smart. This next one I'll be talking about complimenting. Complimenting a lady. You don't only compliment a lady, don't be too much like you're beautiful. Apart from you are beautiful, there are still many ways to compliment a lady. When you compliment a lady you want to marry, that you always talk how beautiful, you always appreciate only her beauty. She will always focus on being beautiful. But when you're appreciating her attitude, mind of being, the way she reasons, the way she do things, she will also focus on things like appreciate her value. Whenever you see her do something valuable, like for example she start a new investment, you get it, she started a new investment, you appreciate that. Wow, I respect you a lot in the way you make decision, things you do is very. From that she will feel eager to even do more. She will be able to gain more knowledge in order for you to be happy. She will know, this is the kind of things my guy like me to do. She won't only focus on beauty. But when you only appreciate only beauty, and whenever she see a guy that add value, that always appreciate her attitude, the way she reason, the way she talk, she will be. But with that kind of things, you may be losing that kind of lady. So when you are seeing a lady, don't only engage or always compliment her beauty alone. It's very important. You also compliment her value. The value she has in her is very, very important. Not only beauty. Beauty do nothing, especially having value. What do you have? Which kind of attitude do you have in you? Are you pure? Are you straightforward? Are you good? Are you someone that is kind? You know, we have different kind of attitude, so you should know the one you're dealing with. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Really appreciate you. Subscribe to our channel and make us turn up the notification bell, so that when we drop another video, you'll be able to see it. I really appreciate you once again. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be dropping our next video in short time. Thank you once again.